Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the dongle type and power requirements so you avoid compatibility issues. Plug the dongle into a powered USB port or hub, then put it into pairing mode. Many dongles blink to show readiness. Make sure the home theater receiver is on the correct input and set to accept external USB audio or a transmitter source. Once done, make sure any on-device Bluetooth is off to prevent conflicts, and keep your phone or source device nearby for immediate pairing. Now you run the actual pairing and route audio. Put your source into Bluetooth search and select the dongle. Accept any PIN prompts. If the receiver lacks USB audio, route through an external Bluetooth transmitter into optical or RCA using a DAC. Match sample rates to avoid resampling. Once paired, choose a low-latency codec when available to reduce lip-sync delay, and set your home theater's audio input to the active port. Make sure to test with dialogue-heavy content to confirm timing. Finish by securing the dongle in a location with clear line of sight to the source and away from Wi-Fi routers or microwave interference. Save any input or pairing settings on the receiver, then update firmware or drivers to the latest version for stability. Test with multiple content types and adjust volume and delay compensation as needed. If problems occur, the key troubleshooting step is to repair both ends and power cycle the dongle and receiver. If dropouts persist, switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.